What's going on, guys? Shane here. Thanks for joining me. Hope you're all doing great. Well, it's time for another quick video where we're going to be discussing one of Olight's upcoming flash sales, which is starting tonight at 8 p.m. And we're also going to be talking about some of the lights that they're featuring in that sale. So let's not waste any more of your time. Let's get the camera over the table, talk about the sales, the deals, the combo meals, the free stuff. Let's get it started. Alright guys, so before we talk about the Baldr Mini with the red laser, the specs, everything about it, I want to cover the sales, just in case you guys know you want to pick a light up, or maybe you see something on the table and you want to jump over to the website and pick it up before it sells out. There is a link down in the description below. It'll be the first thing you guys see. Now keep in mind, guys, that is an affiliate link. That costs absolutely zero to you guys. That just takes a little bit off the top to Olight, and they sent to me just as a thank you, and I really do appreciate it. They're always really great at supporting the channel. So again, link down in the description below. So the sale starts tonight, April 15th at 8 p.m. and it's going to roll on through until about midnight, April 16th, and that is Eastern Standard Time. Now guys, keep in mind that VIP customers, which is silver and above, have had early access to this flash sale. They actually were able to get on these deals on April 12th at 8 p.m. It's just a really nice way of Olight saying thank you to those who frequently buy their lights. Now, if you're one of the people where this might be one of your first Olight purchases, now is a great time to head over and pick something up because Olight's hooking you up with some stuff for free. Now, if you guys just go to their website and you register with a new account as a new customer, you're going to get automatically added to your cart a free i3E keychain light, which is, again, really nice way of them just saying thank you and welcome to the Olight family. Now, when it comes to lights that they're actually featuring in this sale, obviously one is the Baldr Mini in black here with the red laser. Now, this is going to be 20% off. This is normally around $110, and it's going to come down to $88. Now, they also have the Baldr Mini in limited edition Desert Tan with the red laser, and they're doing that 20% off as well, so that's going to be $120, marked down to about 96 bucks. Now they're introducing this new i5T EOS in the Stardust pattern, which is really nice, and they're offering that at $32.95. And additionally, they have some combo deals. The first combo meal is the Baldr Mini in the Desert Tan and the i5T EOS for $107. The other combo meal is the Baldr Mini in black here with the red laser and the Old Bulb in pink for $95, or the Baldr Mini in black here with the Baton 3 Premium Edition orange for $154. Additionally, Olight's doing that thing that they always do and hook you guys up for spending money and giving you stuff for free. So if you guys spend over $129, you get a free i1R2 in black for that's only $17. You get that for free. If you spend over $229, you get a free Open 2 in black, which is only 60 bucks. And if you spend over $329, you get a free Param tube in black. That's normally 90 bucks. So again, a really nice way of them hooking you up for buying things you already need. All right, so now let's go ahead and talk about the Baldr Mini with the red laser here. Now, first I want to talk about the specs, the dimensions of this thing, because if you guys have the PL Mini 2, they are very similar in size, but this is just a tad bigger. I'll run some B-roll so you guys can see just the size of this thing, how it's just a hair bigger than, again, the PL Mini 2. But just so you guys know, the length of this thing is about 2.24 inches. The head diameter is 1.29 inches, and the body diameter here is 1.4 inches. So again, a hair bigger. And with that bigger light's going to come probably just a little bit more weight. I don't know the weight off the top of my head, but I'm assuming it's going to be a little bit more. And this comes in at 3.21 ounces. And as you'd expect, the Baldr Mini is machined out of aluminum, so it's going to keep the weight down as much as possible. And inside of this thing, included that weight we listed earlier, is what we've come to know and love about Olight. And one of the things is their rechargeable battery system. Now, what's really nice about that is you can come home at the end of the night, simply take your charging cable, slap it onto your light, let it charge overnight, take it off, and know you're good to go for the rest of the day. I almost forgot to mention that the Baldr Mini also has a low battery indicator. You can see that little LED there. When that light comes on, it's going to tell you that your battery is obviously low and it's time to get this thing charged. All right, guys, now let's talk about what makes the Baldr Mini pretty unique and special, and that's the red laser. And that's not just the laser, but the placement of it. If you guys have seen typically lights out there, when they do a light laser combo, they do add the laser to the bottom of the light housing, which does make the light itself quite a bit taller and bulky. But what's really cool about Olight is they've gone ahead and placed the laser inside of the housing of the light, so we don't have any additional body here at the bottom, again, to add that extra space down there. So it's a really thin package, again, just slightly larger than the PL Mini 2, and you do have a chance to run a light or laser or both. What's really nice too is that Olight makes it very easy to go ahead and adjust which one you want to run. You have 3 options here, as you can see. On the far right we have laser only, in the middle we have laser and light, and on the far left we have just the light. So just with a really quick flick of a switch, you guys can easily switch between which mode you want to run in, and you're going to be good to go. Now, for those of you who are curious, it is super simple to adjust the laser. They've got 2 screws here for windage and elevation, and they're clearly marked so you know which way to adjust it to move your laser up, down, left, and right. I think before on the Baldr Mini, the green laser, I don't think they had those markings up there, so you had to look at the manual. So it's really good on them for adding that to the new red laser version. And also, for those of you who are familiar with Olight's, the PL Minis, it's going to have the same attachment method as before. You do have a throw lever here that does loosen the light on the housing itself that attaches to the Picatinny slots, and you can simply move this around where you need to, tighten it down, and you are good to go. I almost forgot to mention they do offer a Glock adapter in the bag with the flashlight, so if you want to run this on your Glock, easy to do so. Just gotta loosen a couple screws, add that little piece in there, and you're gonna be good to go. One thing I do really like about the Olight pistol lights is because you have this adjustable mounting system, is you can really get these switches either flush with the edge of your trigger guard, or as you can see here, just barely sitting inside, which makes it really nice to actually actuate the switch. You don't have to really reach that far. Maybe if you had like a stream light where it's on the body, you have to really reach out there. This, it's in your trigger guard. It's super easy to actuate. You can even, with your offhand, if you want, use your thumb to hit the switch. So again, I really do like how the pistol lights mount up and let you get easy access to those switches. Now, when it comes to how bright this Baldr Mini gets, it kicks out a pretty incredible 600 lumens. It has a throw distance of about 130 meters. This thing is IPX4 water resistant, and it has been drop test up to 1 meter, so about 3 feet. All right, guys, that about wraps up on the Baldr Mini with the red laser, the i5T EOS and Stardust, the sales, the specials, the combo deals, the free stuff, everything. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Again, if you want to pick something up, either something you see on the table or anything else in general, the link is down in the description below. If you find something you like that is not on sale, again, guys, remember to use that coupon code Musty10 to save 10% off of anything not on sale. But yeah, guys, I hope you found the video informative. I hope you go pick up a Baldr Mini. This is my first light laser combo from Olight, so I'm looking forward to testing this out. Hopefully, if you guys get one, you're going to enjoy it as much as I hope I'm going to. Feel free to give it a like if you want, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, see you next time. Bye-bye.